Live good morning everyone, especially to my Team Goal Crusher family. This is Coach Joy. So, naka-base po ako dito sa Japan and I'm working here as caregiver, no? So, I'm currently platinum rank po dito sa Live Good Business. So, for this video, I will just want to share how I came across to Live Good. Okay, so that was March this year, 2023, nung nag-search tayo, no? Nung any side hustle na pwede natin pagkakitaan. Though that time, I'm still engaged with the other network company as well. Pero to cut the story short, unfortunately, it's not working for me at all that time. No? So meaning, matumal, hindi tayo nag-i-income. So, yun po yung yung naging reason natin. And considering we have a small network din na kasama sa business. So, meron tayong maliit na team na, di ba, katuwang sa online business. So, being a leader, it's my, it's my responsibility also na parang kailangan we need to move forward, especially we need to, really get income online. So, kaya naghahanap ako ng mga iba pang opportunities. And thanks God kasi I came across to Live Good. And yes, so that time hindi ko pa naintindihan yung compensation plan, kung paano kumita, kung paano gagawin sa Live Good, the system and all. And ang nakapagpayas lang po sa akin, ito parang sharing na rin, no? Is when for the fact na alam ko na 3 months old pa lang yung company that time, so super fresh, super new, and being in the network industry na, so we all know na kapag nasa pillar stage or pioneering stage ang company, pabilisan po yan ng posisyon. So positioning is the key, eka nga, no? So hindi po yung patalinuhan, hindi po yung pagalingan. And of course, diba, the mere fact na napaka-affordable, super duper affordable na entry fee para makapag-start ka ng Live Good business mo. So why not, diba? Like, with our previous company, we've been spending a lot of money just to get started. Pero dito kay Live Good, napaka-minimal lang po na magiging entry po mo at makakapag-start ka na ng Live Good business mo. Okay, so watch out for next video. See you at the top, guys. Bye for now. God bless.